Hello everyone, this is Eric at MOTOSTYLES Hobby Shop RC Monster Garage. So what we got here is another one of my creation, and this one is Chevy Corvette, and this is actually built on a ARRMA felony, and it's brand new. I just finished doing it with all the decals and everything, and it's ready to run. And again, it's available in our shop right now for you guys for the Labor Day holiday, or whenever you want to actually make something like this for you. It's going for $800, and you're going to need a battery and a charger, of course. It's brand new. And of course, we have all the parts so you can make one yourself, and it's going to end up costing you much more actually to make it. You know, the body plus all the other parts that you need. So when I make them, it's actually cheaper, and then you save the 2 hours work that it takes to do this. Give me a call if you want to get it. I have one available right now, and I just finished it, and it's look absolutely amazing. It's actually look real.